Good morning, students. This video is for grade 8th, subject science, block 26, chemical effects of electric current. In this, we are going to discuss about LP1, series and parallel circuits. The aim of this lesson is to compare the flow of electric current in series and parallel circuits. The keywords are series and parallel. The resources required are 4 small bulbs, insulated copper wire, 2 cells, switch, bulb holder, tape, S1 of your volume book, notebook and Excel content book. Now students, let's think and try to answer these questions. What is an electric circuit? What did you study about electric circuits in grade 6th and 7th? How many types of circuits are there? So after answering them, again you can resume the video. An electric circuit is the path through which electric current flows. It consists of a source of electric current like a cell or battery, bulb or electric appliance, wires and electric switch. This we discussed in previous classes. When the circuit is complete, current flows through the circuit. There are two types of circuits, series and parallel. If the circuit has one continuous loop so that current can flow only in one path, it is called a series circuit. And if the circuit has more than one loop and current can flow in more than one path, it is called a parallel circuit. So students, today we will learn about how current flows differently in two different types of circuits. For this, you have to make two electric circuits by using the resources. In one, arrange the bulbs so that one loop is formed, and in other, arrange the bulbs so that two loops are formed. Switch on the electric current in both and observe the glow of the bulbs. Now disconnect one bulb in both the circuits and switch on the current again and observe in which circuit the bulb glows. Students, you can arrange the bulb as shown in the following pictures. Now, there are some questions based on the above activity. Which circuit represents a series circuit and which represents a parallel circuit? In which circuit do the bulbs glow brighter? What did you observe when one bulb was disconnected in series circuit or in the parallel circuit? So let's understand about them. There are two types of electric circuit, series as well as parallel. The circuit in which bulbs are connected in such a way that current flows in a single path is called a series circuit. In the series circuit, the bulb glows brighter. When one bulb is disconnected in the series circuit, the second one also stops glowing. The circuit in which bulbs are arranged in that manner, the current can flow in different paths is called a parallel circuit. When one bulb is disconnected in the parallel circuit, the other one keeps glowing. Student, these are the two pictures which are showing different arrangements of electric bulb and different type of circuits. If you will focus on the first picture, here the bulbs are connected one after the other and you can see only single path is there in which current is flowing. So this arrangement is called series circuit. While in the another, you can see that two bulbs are connected parallelly and therefore two paths are there for the flow of current. Therefore this arrangement is called parallel circuit. Why do the bulbs glow brightly when they are arranged in series? Why do they glow less brightly when arranged parallel? How can we measure the intensity of electric current? In the series circuit, when one bulb is disconnected, why the other bulb also stop glowing? Why does it keep glowing in parallel circuit? And what do we conclude from this? So students, let's find the answer of all this. In a series circuit, the same current flows through the entire circuit. While in parallel circuit, it gets divided between the two loops. We can measure the amount of electric current flowing through a circuit using an instrument called ammeter. The SI unit for electric current is amperes. So, if 2 ampere current flows through the series circuit that we made, both bulbs get the same current, while if 2 ampere current is flows through the parallel circuit which we made, the current gets divided and each bulb gets 1 ampere only. In the series circuit, if one bulb is disconnected, the circuit breaks and second bulb also does not glow. While in parallel circuit, both the bulbs have independent circuits, and if one bulb is disconnected, the other keeps glowing. You can understand this concept in more easier way by seeing this picture. In the first diagram where the arrangement is series type, you can see that the 2 ampere current is flowing through the entire circuit and all the bulbs in the series circuit are getting the same amount of current. While in the parallel circuit, as different loops and circuits are there, so the current is getting distributed. So the two bulbs are getting only 1 ampere current out of 2. Now see this second picture. You can see that in the series connection or in the series circuit, all the bulbs are lined up one after another and they are making a single path for flow of current. So if there is a break in wire at any point, then the further bulbs cannot glow. While in parallel connection, all the loops are different, all the circuits are different. So if there is any breakage in the wire, so only that bulb will not glow, rest will keeps glowing. Now why is it advantageous to connect the electrical appliances in houses in parallel circuit? Students, in our house we have lot of electrical appliances and all are connected in a parallel circuit. See this? It is advantageous because if one device does not function properly, the other devices are not affected and they keep functioning via their independent circuit. So this is the advantage of having parallel circuits in our household appliances. So students, what we learned today? We discussed and we learned that there are two types of electric circuits, series and parallel. In the series circuit, only one loop is there and the current is flowing through a single path. While in the parallel circuit, number of loops are there and therefore current is flowing in different paths. If there is any breakage in the wire or any problem in the wire in the series circuit, then all the appliances get affected. While in the parallel circuit, if one of the device is not functioning, others will still function because they are the part of separate circuits. Now it's a quiz time. In which circuit is there a continuous loop? Where have they seen series circuits being used? Now application part. Finish S1 of your volume book and start completing practice questions 1 to 3 from the Exceed content book. Thank you students. Have a great day.